You used to take it all for granted. The noise, the chaos, even the love. That's why you chased freedom like it was everything. But now you are free. All you feel is lost. You thought you're ready to live on your own. But every night, the silence reminds you of what you left behind. Because you didn't realize that home wasn't just a place. It was them. Their laughter, their hug, even their stupid arguments. You left to find yourself. But maybe who you were, you will always be with them. Because you never realized that independence could feel this lonely. To everybody that misses his or her family, this goes out to you. Reach out while you can. This is Take Note Dad. What I say again next time. Ciao, ciao.